Today I'm going to show you how to create realistic perspective effect in Photoshop. First, go to Select All, and copy the photo. Go back to the original image. Create a new layer. Go to Filter, and open the vanishing point. Select the plane tool. Click over your image to create a plane. Make sure the line is blue, not red or yellow. If it's not blue, reposition the point. Press Ctrl V to paste copied pixels. Press Ctrl T to select your free transform tool. Hold Shift key while dragging right bottom corner. Drag the image and drop it on the road. Now, use these handles to distort the sign and match it to your subject's road. Hit Enter or Return when you're finished. Change the blend mode to screen. Click the FX icon and open Layer Style window. Hold down Alt to split the black slider. Press OK once you're satisfied. Click the Add Layer Mask icon. Open your brush tool, click the foreground color, and make sure black. Then press OK. And paint with black to hide the extras. And that's it. Hope you liked it.